The market does not care about your story. It does not care where you came from. It does not care how badly you need the money. It does not care how smart you think you are. The market simply takes from everyone who is not ready and gives quietly, consistently, without celebration, to the very few who finally understand what it is actually asking of them. This is the journey from broke to the other side. You open your first account, you put in money you worked hard for, and you buy something because someone on the internet said it was going up. It goes up. You feel like a genius. Then it goes down. You tell yourself it will recover. It doesn't. And here is the moment that defines everything. Most people blame the market. They say it was rigged. It was manipulated. It was bad luck. They take their loss personally, like the market did something to them. But the market didn't do anything to you. You walked in without a plan, without rules, without understanding what you owned or why you owned it. And the market simply charged you for that. This is rank 1, the gambler. The market just gave you your first lesson. Most people pay for it and learn nothing. So you decide to learn. You study candlestick patterns, support and resistance, moving averages. You read about PE ratios, earnings reports, balance sheets. You open a paper trading account and practice without real money. And slowly, the language of the market begins to make sense. But here is the danger of rank 2. You know enough to feel confident, but not enough to be consistently profitable. You are the most dangerous version of yourself right now, because you believe you understand something that you have not yet been tested by. The market has a way of finding that gap every single time. This is rank 2, the student. Knowledge without experience is just theory. And the market has no respect for theory. You go back to real money. You have a strategy now. You have rules. And within 3 trades, you break every single one of them, because here is what nobody tells you about trading. The enemy is not the market. The enemy is you. Fear makes you sell your winners too early, before they reach their target. Greed makes you hold your losers too long, hoping they come back. FOMO pulls you into trades you never planned for. And after a bad loss, revenge trading pulls you in again. Faster, bigger, angrier, until the account is empty. You sit in silence, and you look at the number, and you realize something that changes everything. The market did not take your money. Your emotions did. This is rank 3, the struggling trader. The chart was never the problem. The person reading it was. Something shifts. You stop trying to be right. You start trying to be profitable. And those are not the same thing. You make risk management a religion, never more than 1% of your account on a single trade. Never. You learn that not trading is a position. Sitting on your hands when there is no clear setup is a skill, one of the hardest skills in trading. You keep a journal, not of the trades, of your thinking, of your emotions, of why you broke the rules and what it cost you. And slowly, something remarkable happens. The account grows, not from one big win, from the accumulation of not losing big. This is rank 4, the consistent trader. You have stopped fighting the market. You are finally working with it. Trading is now your income, not a side project, not a hobby, not a hope, your income. And with that reality comes a clarity that changes how you see everything. You specialize. Day trading, swing trading, options, algorithmic systems. You stop trying to trade everything. You become dangerous in one area. You build systems, not just strategies. Complete rules for entry, exit, position size, and what to do when everything goes wrong. Because everything will go wrong. Drawdowns happen, bad months happen, bad quarters happen. The professional does not panic. The professional follows the system. This is rank 5, the professional trader. The market no longer scares you. It is your work. You have survived something most traders never do. A real market crash. Not a dip, not a correction. A crash. The kind that takes 40% of the market in weeks. The kind that destroys accounts that survived everything before it. And you are still here. Your capital is intact, or close to it. Because when it mattered most, you followed the plan. You did not panic. You did not abandon the system. You trusted the rules that years of discipline had built. And now, people trust you with their money. Or you manage enough of your own that it no longer matters. This is rank 6, the independent fund trader. Survival in this market is not luck. It is the reward for everything you refuse to do wrong. The million did not arrive on one day. It was not one trade, not one big call, not one moment of genius. It was the compound effect of years of right behavior, 1% risk per trade. Consistently. Following the system, consistently. Cutting losses, consistently. Letting winners run, consistently. Paul Tudor Jones started with nothing and became a billionaire through discipline, not luck. Jesse Livermore rose from poverty, lost everything twice, and rebuilt both times because he understood what the market was really asking. Mark Minervini worked in a warehouse. He became a trading champion, not because the market chose him, because he refused to leave until he understood it. This is rank 7, the self-made millionaire trader. The money was never the point. It was the proof. Here is what every rank of trading teaches you. The market is the most honest mirror in the world. It shows you exactly who you are, not who you think you are, not who you want to be, who you actually are. Under pressure, under loss, under the weight of a position going against you. Every trader who ever reached the other side had to face that mirror. And instead of looking away, they looked harder. So here is your question. Not what stock should I buy? Not what strategy should I use? The only question that matters is this. Are you willing to become the kind of person the market rewards? Because that person exists inside you already. They are just waiting for you to stop blaming the market and start building yourself.